Critical Manufacturing MES is the most innovative, modular, and fully integrated manufacturing execution system for complex global manufacturers on the path to digital transformation. The Factory Automation Module was designed to provide manufacturers with advanced automation. For example, supplying material automatically to a production line in order to prevent it from stopping due to missing consumables or processing materials. With factory automation, you can easily coordinate and supervise all kinds of applications and factory resources, like AIVs, material handling, and other transport systems. It offers a customizable drag-and-drop workflow designer that allows visual no-code editing, leading to fast implementation and a software solution that is both cross-architecture and cross-platform. The high-level workflows are triggered by events generated by different players on the shop floor. By automating repetitive and error-prone activities, factory automation will resolve challenges of fulfilling consumable replenishment requests and other types of difficult transport problems. Automatically determine the next lot to be processed and trigger the transportation of that lot from its current location to its next. The Factory Automation Module receives events from different hardware and software applications. Using the right workflow, it will coordinate the different systems to carry out the appropriate procedure to automatically handle that event. Let's see the example of a machine that is running low on a particular component. The machine can trigger a low inventory event that will trigger the workflow the user created to handle that event. The workflow can request an AIV to retrieve the required material from an automated storage equipment, and then to deliver it to the machine that triggered the event, thus avoiding a material shortage. Factory automation provides a modular and extensible solution, and it leverages Connect IoT to achieve full connectivity and integration with any equipment or transport system. With factory automation, your facility gains the capabilities of a highly automated and resilient factory. You will enjoy complete integration, flexible process control, workflow library, and lastly, instant control. Take your automation capabilities beyond a line or equipment and push it to the next level using an easy and intuitive high-level workflow designer. Contact us to schedule your personal demonstration and learn how factory automation will benefit your business.